Okay, so right now we're going to play Magic Tiles 3. It probably doesn't work because I've tried it so many times and it still doesn't want to work. So, yes. See, it says 25 the whole time, but whenever I try to get it to go up, it doesn't want to. It says headphone recommended, but I could tell you I thought it was going to work. Oh my gosh. Hold up, guys. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm back. No. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna do another game for now because that one doesn't want to work, so we're gonna do ball sort, puzzle, whatever y'all want to call it. I call it ball sort because that's what it is. Number 1 finished. Boo. Dang it. I messed up, guys. Okay. Um. And just like that, that's how. Oh my gosh, that's how I finished my first round ever. Oh my gosh. I wonder how much I could get. It would be amazing if I could get 10. Dang it. I was really hoping it was brown. And it's blue. Dang it. Why do you gotta be so rude? Yes. guys, so I am done. Oh my gosh, that's so annoying. Online is just deleted because it doesn't even work. And so I'm done with those two games. I never played this game, but I really don't want to because it seems so stupid. We're just gonna see, and if it's not cool, then I'm getting deleted. I accept. I accept. No, not anymore. Well done. Let me keep playing. Prodigy Dude. I'm gonna do Crossword Jam. Dang it.
Good.
I'm 57 knowledge. Bit.
Good.
Bite. Bet.
Great.
Yes! And 64 knowledge, guys. Pray, whoever doesn't know that, y'all gonna have to pay.
Good.
And Ray.
Great. Fantastic.
They're gonna have to pair. And if they don't, yep. Dang it. No. App. That can't even be a word. Rap.
Spectacular.
780 knowledge. Got it. Bull. Bull. Owl.
Good. Good.
90 knowledge. Oh, 87. Home. Pen.
Good.
Cow.
Great.
Map.
Fantastic.
Left.
Spectacular.
I'm so good at this. Okay. I'm gonna go with hit. I'm gonna go with hit.
Good.
Yes. I'm gonna go with wit.
Great.
Yeah. With hit wit. Let's see. Funny fact. Uh, how do I have two bonus red and only one regular? Maybe two. Eat. Ooh, look at me. I forgot I found all of these. It's 8.
Good. Great.
T.
Fantastic.
Bat beat me up. Deal. Ooh. Lead.
Good.
Lead.
Great.
Old. Add. Add. Red.
Good.
Ooh, lad. Ooh, I'm so good. Lad.
Good.
What? I got two. Got up and not.
Great.
I'm sure we got enough for them, but
Good. Great.
no.
Fantastic.
Ooh, look at me go. Yes. Please be money. Yes. 27. I think it's 27. I'm not sure. Please be 27.
Good.
Lead. I don't like today. Lead. Guys, I'm gonna turn off my sound because this is getting so annoying having to talk to the whole entire thing. I know I don't have to, but like, I'd rather, but yeah. So sound off right now. Sound? Are you still on? Sound is fixed and turn off right now. Bye guys, I love you so much. Sound Okay, guys, so I'm going to end the video here. Thank y'all for watching, and everybody have a good day. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.